No matter what God asks of you, give it your all.
My dear brothers and sisters in Jesus Christ, today I want to reflect with you the word pray. For scribes and Pharisees said to Jesus that your disciples do not pray and fast, whereas the disciples of John do. In practical life, if you see in all the religions, people pray. And they like to pray because they have been taught. In Christianity, prayer is a living covenantal relationship between God and His people. It is a reciprocal conversation between God and His people. As a Christians, we have been taught how to pray by our parents, by our catechism teachers. In the course of time, some like to pray, some love to pray, some desire to pray, some learn to pray, some pray to learn. On the other hand, some are forced to pray, some are bound to pray, some have to pray because it is in timetable. As for me, prayer is something different. The word pray consists of 4 alphabets. P for preparation. Before going to bed, I prepare myself for the morning prayer, so that when I go for the prayer, I love to pray. And I enjoy praying because I have prepared myself. For you, Saturday evening, when you prepare yourself in order to go for the Sunday Mass, and you already decide previous night whether to go for the Sunday Mass or not. The second, R for readiness. When alarm rings, I get up with a bell because I have decided previous night that I will go for the morning prayer. If I have not decided, then I put up the alarm and I continue sleeping. And if I go for the morning prayer, last moment, I pray because I have to pray. And it becomes only lip service. Prayer doesn't come from my heart. So preparation and readiness is must for our prayer. A for awareness. We become aware of God's presence during prayer. God is everywhere, we know it, but we become aware of Him in people, in nature, and in oneself. I remember St. Francis of Assisi, who became aware of God's presence in people, in nature, and in himself, began to call everyone as brothers and sisters. Awareness of God's presence changed him a lot, and he not only prayed, but he himself became a prayer. Becoming awareness of God helps us to fast from criticism, from gossip, from prejudice, from hatred, etc. U for YouTube. These days we have been busy with YouTube channels. We create videos. And below the video, we put few verbs such as like, dislike, save, comment, download, share it, and bell goes. Jesus is asking you and me to create YouTube so that, having experienced Jesus Christ in our prayer, we are able to share Him, His thoughts, His ideas, and help others to create YouTube between God and them. May God bless us all so that we love to pray, we begin to pray and we share to pray.